Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, YouTube? Errol here from High Road Comics, and you're right on the HRC. So today is Funko Friday. Haven't done it in a very long time. Sorry. But yep, it's an Amazon box. And you will know that because it's a Marvel Collector Core. So if you don't want spoilers, please go ahead and wait till you get it and then come back and watch this video. But then again, I don't know why you would. But yeah, so check it out. Like, you got a bunch of stuffs on here. You got like Iron Man and yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. I actually don't know because I prefer no spoilers. But you know, the box has been kind of like hit or miss, more miss than hit since they went to their various retailers. For example, Hot Topics Disney boxes, trash. I don't like them, and I do regret not getting the Deadpool. But yeah, so let's go ahead and ooh, finally a shirt in a collector core box. So let's go ahead and see. The next box is already Spider-Man Far From Home, so even if it sucks, I'm getting the July box. Are they doing? Yeah, I think it's still bi-monthly. But yes, something to wear tomorrow. I got a t-shirt. Let's go ahead and check it out. Damn, I already looked at the pops, but I'm not gonna spoil you. I could have at least put them face down. Check it out. A Thor shirt, and it's a Fat Thor shirt. Check out that sick shirt. You got Fat Thor with pizza and chicken wing, maybe a turkey, but yup. And why is he drinking beer? That's a cop out. He should have been drinking beer. Maybe an IPA. Definitely wearing that. And I'm glad it's not a dark t-shirt to show all my dog hair, but it's a gray shirt. I like those, like my Spider-Man gray shirt and my Avengers villains gray shirt. But yes, pop box. Don't want to ruin it. I don't see any box damage on the front, which is all that matters. We got Captain America exclusive Marvel Collector Core holding Mjolnir. It's Mjolnir. That's the way it's spelled. But so check it out. Avengers Endgame number 481. Glad I didn't get a Captain America yet, but now I'm glad they have one with him holding Mjolnir and his shield. Check it out. And it's an exclusive, no box damage, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and throw that up there so I can look at it for a little bit. Looks like I got a luggage tag to get stolen because I'm going to put it on my luggage and someone's going to steal it. Probably somebody that works for the airline because they have no honor. I hate people that have no honor. Like, get a freaking job that you're happy with that could, I don't know, man. Why do you have to steal and ruin it for everyone else? Oh, it's not a luggage tag. Whoops! It's actually a place I could put my cup on, or my beer. I don't drink beer that much anymore. But you got Thanos and Iron Man. Works. It works. If you haven't seen the movie yet, I don't know why you're watching this. And then there wasn't one pop. I just waited to show you the last thing in the box. Another pop. We got Valkyrie. But what's so exclusive about her? I mean, she didn't really do much in the movie. They have a Valkyrie pop from Thor Ragnarok. So this one I am not that happy with. Not to say that I don't like Valkyrie, because I do. But actually, you know what? I could display this next to my first appearance MCU Valkyrie Exiles number 2. Yeah, check it out. So that's all I got. Thanks for being here. Really appreciate it. Funko Friday, it's been a while. I don't really order that many Funkos, but there's a couple that I want to pre-order already. They've announced for SDCC, so stay tuned. Next week I'm going to be doing some SDCC pre-games. I haven't done one since F1. And tomorrow is going to be a haul video. That's all I got. This is High Road Comics, taking this exit, and I'll see you at the next stop.